In this video, we will show you 17 popular home and kitchen gadgets from Amazon that simplify your daily tasks. Let's get started. Revolutionize your organization with Shelime foldable storage bins. This versatile set of 4 lidded bins offers individual storage solutions, perfect for categorizing everything from crafts to toys and household essentials. Experience ultimate convenience with the collapsible, tool-free design. These bins effortlessly fold away when not in use, maximizing your space without any assembly required. Quickly identify contents thanks to the see-through front panel, making retrieval a breeze. No more rummaging through mystery boxes. Find what you need at a glance. Elevate your coffee experience with the COSORI pour-over coffee maker. This elegant device features a double-layer 304 stainless steel filter that allows fine oils to infuse into your brew, creating a richer, fuller flavor without any grounds in your cup. The heat-resistant borosilicate glass decanter can be safely heated on a low flame, offering versatility in your brewing process. With a generous 34-ounce capacity, it's perfect for serving up to 8 4-aughts cups, ideal for entertaining guests. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe components, while the wooden sleeve adds a touch of warmth and can be easily wiped clean. Elevate your cooking with the Chefmate Tri-Ply Stainless Steel Saute Pan. This ergonomically designed kitchenware combines superior features for enhanced cooking performance. The stainless steel surface ensures your food's flavors remain pure and unaltered. Experience quick and even heat distribution thanks to the multi-layer composite steel construction. This pan excels in various cooking methods, from deep frying to braising. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this sauté pan is built to last. Its healthy, non-coated surface offers a perfect balance of utility and performance, surpassing traditional Teflon or ceramic pans. Revolutionize your kitchen organization with the Razab Airtight glass food storage container set. This comprehensive 24-piece collection includes 12 BPA-free, non-toxic glass containers in various sizes, each with a matching lid featuring a removable silicone seal for easy cleaning. Experience ultimate convenience with the built-in vent system under the locking lids, perfect for microwave and oven use. The 4-tab locking system ensures an airtight and watertight seal, preserving your food's freshness and preventing spills. Maximize your storage space with the VIPEK heavy-duty rolling garment rack. This versatile rack measures 45 inches long, 17.7 inches wide, and 80.3 inches high, supporting up to 400 pounds when stationary and 300 pounds when in motion. Featuring 4 360-degree rolling wheels, including 2 with locks, this rack offers easy mobility and secure positioning. The adjustable design includes 3 tiers, 2 hanging rods, and 2 sets of side hooks, providing flexible storage options for various items. Constructed from high-quality, powder-coated iron pipe, this garment rack resists water and rust, ensuring durability and reliability. Elevate your cooking experience with the nuovva cast iron Dutch oven. This versatile cookware offers the perfect blend of traditional quality and modern convenience. Featuring a sleek enamel coating, this Dutch oven is low maintenance and easy to clean, requiring no seasoning. It's the ideal choice for busy individuals who love cooking but value their time. Personalize your kitchen with a range of vibrant colors including red, blue, gray, and green. This enameled cast iron casserole dish adds a stylish touch to any kitchen decor. Maximize your kitchen space with the MERRYBOX over-the-sink dish drying rack. This multifunctional rack keeps all your dishware and utensils tidy and dry. It's perfect for plates, bowls, fruits, vegetables, knives, cutting boards, cups, and more. Hooks provide extra storage for ladles, spatulas, and dishcloths. Designed for versatility, this adjustable rack expands from 25 to 33 inches in length and stands 20.7 inches tall. It fits most single or double sinks, but be sure to measure your sink size, faucet height, and countertop cabinet distance before ordering. Revolutionize your food storage with the Freshmage large fruit containers. This versatile set includes 5 containers ranging from 300 milliliters to 4,200 milliliters, perfect for storing fruits, vegetables, berries, and even meats. Designed to keep food fresh longer, these containers feature a sealed environment with built-in colanders. This innovative design allows for easy rinsing and water drainage, reducing food spoilage and extending freshness. Convenience is key with the easy-to-open lids. Pre-clean your produce and your family can enjoy fresh snacks anytime. These containers are also ideal for storing leftovers or prepping meals in advance. Elevate your bathroom hygiene with the Cesun automatic motion sensor trash can. This bin features touchless operation through infrared sensing technology, opening automatically when your hand or any object approaches the sensor area. Designed for narrow spaces, its slim profile fits perfectly in bathrooms or any tight area, maximizing space utilization. The excellent sealing ability of the lid contains odors effectively, keeping your room fresh and clean. Experience user-friendly features like the countdown light, which flashes green for 5 seconds before the lid closes automatically. For longer access, the lid stays open as long as an object remains in the sensing area. Elevate your brewing experience with the DmofwHi Gooseneck electric kettle. This elegant kettle features a precision-designed gooseneck spout offering perfect control for pour-over coffee and tea. Crafted with a 304 stainless steel interior, this kettle ensures durability, excellent insulation, and pure chemical-free water. The BPA-free plastic handle and steam lid add to its safety features. Powered by a 1,000-watt heating element, this kettle boils water in about 5 minutes, perfect for quick brewing. The 1-liter capacity is ideal for most tasks, from single servings to full pots. Maximize your storage space with the DEKAVA undersink organizer. This versatile unit features a sliding drawer design, providing easy access to items in limited spaces. Boasting a large capacity, the bottom area accommodates items up to 10.3 inches tall. The organizer's stability is ensured through a reinforced base support, thickened steel tubes, and durable ABS material baskets. This organizer is perfect for under sinks, cabinets, countertops, pantries, kitchens, bathrooms, garages, and laundry rooms. Its adaptable design fits various storage needs throughout your home. Preserve your bread's freshness with the HOMEKOKO double-layer large bread box. Unlike airtight containers, this bread saver maintains optimal moisture levels, keeping most bread fresh for up to 3 to 4 days. The clear plexiglass window allows easy viewing without exposing bread to unnecessary air. Boasting a generous capacity, the 2-layer design measures 14.6 inches by 9.4 inches, accommodating 2 large loaves of bread, rolls, muffins, and more without compression. Innovative features include a 0.8-inch elevated base and 0.5-inch gap at the back, protecting your bread from moisture and ensuring proper air circulation. Simplify your kitchen routine with the AUOON clip-on strainer silicone. This kitchen gadget offers practical functionality and a compact design, perfect for kitchens with limited counter space. Versatility is key. This clever strainer snaps onto most pots, pans, and bowls, both large and small, with 2 easy-to-use clips. Its unique design eliminates the need for transferring food, allowing you to tilt and strain while keeping your food in the pot. Crafted from top-quality, heat-resistant silicone, this durable strainer withstands temperatures from -40 to 240 degrees. It's also dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. Transform your shower organization with the Kitsure X Large Shower Caddy. Made from 100% stainless steel with a thickened coating, these caddies are rust-proof, waterproof, and built to last. The smooth surface is easy to clean, just rinse and let air dry. Enjoy ample storage with 2 large caddies measuring 15.7 inch and 15.2 inch. Heightened guardrails keep your items secure. Strong adhesive tapes hold up to 20 pounds each, while fixing snaps ensure stability. The hollow bottom design allows for quick drainage, keeping your items dry. Convenient holes enable upside-down bottle storage for easy dispensing. Organize your shower essentials with the Lifewit Mesh Shower Caddy. This hanging organizer measures 17 inches by 26.5 inches, providing ample vertical storage to keep your shower area clutter-free. With 7 pockets of varying sizes, this caddy offers a place for everything. 3 small pockets at the top, 2 large ones in the middle, and 2 more at the bottom keep your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and other personal care items neatly arranged and easily accessible. Installation is effortless thanks to 3 included metal hooks. Simply hang the caddy on your existing shower curtain rod. No additional purchases necessary. Keep your meals warm and delicious with the LAUDLIFE electric warming tray. This versatile tray offers 3 temperature settings, ranging from 140 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, maintaining your food's warmth for up to 6 hours. Designed with convenience in mind, this 23.98 by 7.32-inch tray features a smart foldable design for easy storage. Its large heating zone accommodates multiple dishes simultaneously, perfect for diverse dining needs. Crafted from nano silicone material, this warming tray excels in heat retention and even distribution. The rapid stereo heat transfer technology ensures swift and efficient warming, preserving your food's flavor and temperature. Discover ultimate sleep comfort with the Everlasting Comfort Knee Pillow. Crafted from premium memory foam, this pillow ensures a restful night's sleep while providing effective pain relief for your hips, knees, and lower back. Designed specifically for side sleepers, its unique dual concave shape and adjustable strap keep the pillow securely in place throughout the night. It's an ideal solution for those seeking sciatica pain relief or hip pain alleviation. Trust in the quality of materials. This pillow is made with certified safe components, making it a fantastic choice for improving your sleep quality and overall comfort.